Question regarding the Isha prayer and the Witr with respect to Tahajjud. So I've seen many lectures, but like still, I just want to clarify myself. So if I pray Isha and concluded the Isha prayer with the Witr, so from what I've been taught, like it's that once you conclude your Isha prayer with the Witr, you're not supposed to pray Tahajjud. Now, provided that if I wake up or like intentionally
This is
wake
wrong.
up.
This is not true. Continue.
I got me muted. So yeah, so if I pray Witr and I wake up like around 2 a.m., let's say I've set an alarm or like, wake up myself. So can I still pray Tahajjud?
100%. Yes, you can. Akhi, there's a confusion among the Muslims who don't seek knowledge properly and learn properly from the Quran and the Sunnah. The confusion is due to the fact that the Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, there are no two witr in one night. And the other hadith, make the last of your night prayer witr. So people made the math and said, if I prayed Isha and then prayed Witr, then I should follow the second hadith, make the last of your night prayer Witr. And this means I cannot pray afterwards. And this is not true. Because the Prophet himself, ﷺ, as narrated by Mother Aisha, used to offer his Witr prayer and afterwards pray 2 rak'ahs sitting down. And praying 2 rak'ahs indicates that you can pray after your witr. However, it is highly recommended for those who know that they will wake up in the middle of the night at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and they're fixated on that. It's best for them to delay the witr to be the last thing they pray at that night. But if someone is hesitant or uncertain whether he's gonna wake up or not, and he concludes after Isha by praying Witr and then goes to bed and wakes up at 2 or 3 a.m., he may pray as many rak'ahs as he wishes, 2 by 2. But no Witr, because the Witr he prayed after Isha makes the total of whatever he prayed that night in odd numbers, and this is the Sunnah, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.